Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI. If your soda cans and your drinks are taking up all the shelf space in your fridge, just like they were in our fridge, then it's time that you guys check out these can holder organization bins from Homeries. They really and truly have helped me to make more room for things other than drinks. So what I love about these the most is that they're made out of strong acrylic. So this is not just your ordinary flimsy plastic. These are super tough and they're shatter resistant, and you can actually put them in the freezer as well. So I got the pack of 4 with the lid that just gently sits on the top. You can actually get it without the lid as well, but I personally wanted the lid option because I love being able to stack these organizers one on top of the other. Or I can use the lid kind of as a shelf and set other food items on top of it. And I love that they're clear because you can see exactly what's inside of them. And yes, they really do hold 10 of your 12-ounce cans perfectly. And they're lightweight, so you can move them around and use them for different areas of your house. I only ended up using 3 of them for my fridge, so I used the 4th one to store my canned goods. I feel like these can be used for more than just your drinks in your fridge. They are ideal for any corner of your house, your pantry, your bathroom supplies. I mean, you name it, you could probably put these things to use. So I've been really pleased with them, and I think you will too. And that's my point of view.